Hi there, Christy from MakingItInTheMountains.com here, and today I am so excited to take you on a tour of our Christmas farmhouse style porch. Our porch is always my favorite space to decorate, especially for the holidays. There's just something so warm and welcoming about a cozy porch space all decked out in twinkling lights, all sorts of greenery, and just a hint of traditional plaid. Not only is it an inviting way to welcome guests to our house, but walking up the front drive to a cozy Christmas porch is such a warm welcome home for us too. Beautiful lit garlands draped around the door with a simple wreath to match are such an easy way to bring a bit of a traditional Christmas feel to the space. These gorgeous garlands are by far my favorite artificial garland I've ever owned, and I especially love the timer for the battery-operated lights. Our DIY pallet Christmas tree and some wood lanterns bring some rustic touches to this space as well. A few pops of red and some traditional plaids bring a cozy, nostalgic feel to the space. And I've always loved the look of a lovely wreath hanging in each window. Though the decor is quite simple and not at all extravagant or showy, I think the uncluttered look just adds to the charm of it all. Of course, it feels coziest of all when it's all lit up at night. Nothing is more nostalgic this time of year than a farmhouse porch all decked out for the holidays. It's truly the most cozy and welcoming space in our home.